Do you want to learn how to earn money on Fiverr using a revolutionary new tool called Chat GPT? If so, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to use Chat GPT to create high quality content and earn a steady stream of income on Fiverr. But before we get started, let's quickly take a closer look at what Chat GPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processor model developed by OpenAI. It's a type of artificial intelligence that's trained to generate human-like text by predicting the next word in a sentence based on the context of the words that came before it. So, how does it work? Well, ChatGPT is fed a large dataset of text such as books, articles and websites, and it uses this information to learn the patterns and structures of the English language. As a result, it's able to generate coherent and grammatically correct sentences that sound like they were written by a human. But ChatGPT is more than just a text generator. It's also able to understand and respond to your user input, making it a powerful tool for creating chatbots and other interactive content. And that's where the opportunity to earn money on Fiverr comes in. By using ChatGPT, you can create unique and engaging content for clients, saving them time and effort while also earning a profit for yourself. So to begin, simply go onto openai.com and try ChatGPT by clicking this button over to the left. You'll then need to log in or sign up. If you haven't signed up, just takes a couple of minutes to do that, but I've already created an account, so I'm going to click login. And here we have the interface for ChatGPT. You'll see there's some examples, capabilities and some limitations, so you can read through that and obviously test it out. Below is where you can ask the question to ChatGPT to generate the answer. So it's almost like Google, but it obviously converses with you almost like a human. So let's give it a go. So here we have a basic input. Can you summarize Lord of the Flies? But I've asked it so that a child could understand. So we can see how ChatGPT can interpret this and mold its answer to this specific question. So just like that, it's created a very brief summary about Lord of the Flies, which is a novel, but it's also made it in a way that a child could understand it. And you can see that it's been written out here. So a top tip is the better your input, the better its output. So if we go into Fiverr, which is a website I'm sure you've heard about before, but if not, it's a freelance website where you can offer your services or purchase products or services for your business. Below we have a list of some popular services that include some graphic design, WordPress, voiceovers, social medias, translations and lots of other different options. So one of many services that we can provide now with ChatGPT that you might not be able to do before is a translator service. So see we can see here it's a very popular service. There's lots of ratings on these jobs here: 134, 365, 221, 554, over 1,000, and all these people do is deliver and translate different languages, so from English to German, French to Italian, etc. The possibilities are endless. This one's even in Chinese, this one's in Russian, and all they do is I will translate Russian to English, English to Russian fast, and they're charging £5, £8, £8, 13. So this is equivalent of about close to $10, and all you need to do is use ChatGPT to do this, and this is something that we can do with ChatGPT. Now the key thing about ChatGPT, which makes this different for something like Google Translate, is ChatGPT does it in a human-like manner. It sounds like it's coming from a human. It's not this robotic AI that Google Translate would be. So for example, if we take this summary that we already have and go into a new chat and ask ChatGPT to change this into Chinese, for example. So I've now asked it to translate that paragraph into Chinese. So now we can see here quite happily and effectively the chatbot ChatGPT has quite happily completed that task. It's generated two forms actually for Chinese, so we've got the traditional simple form and the text form. So that's obviously fantastic. This would be something that now we can send back to our client to complete the service. Now let's say I wanted to also have this in French. All I can do is, again, just like a casual conversation, can you also translate it into French? I don't need to put the paragraph through again because ChatGPT knows what's already been asked of it and it can memorize things that's already been said in the conversation. And here we have it. It's in a matter of minutes translated this into French. Now, if this is what our client wanted, we can now pass that information back to our client, and there we have made $10. So in the space of 5 minutes, I've generated 2 different texts. That would be $20 for me, and that was only in a couple of minutes. So if I was to do this lots of times a day, you're making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just by typing a few bits of information into the text chat for Chat GPT. So guys, thank you very much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful and now you're ready to start making money on Fiverr with your own chatbot. Remember to keep learning and improving your chatbot and provide the best possible service to your customers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. See you in the next video. Peace.